Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can delete pictures what you have posted on Instagram story quickly. For example, at some times we may post lot of pictures on our Instagram story. See here in the example, I have posted some pictures and video like this means multiple. I have posted multiple pictures and videos on the Instagram story. If at all, if you want to delete some of them or all means quickly, so it takes a lot of time because we need to delete manually one by one. We need to click on these three dots, click on delete, then confirmation, and gets processed and gets deleted. Again we need to click on, but I'll show you a quick and easy method to delete quickly. Simply you need to swipe from down to up. See here, like this, from bottom to top you need to swipe up, and you will get this option called delete. For example, I want to delete this one. Just move the pictures which you want to delete, tap on this delete, and tap on this delete, tap on this delete. So in this way we can somewhat a bit easier, this process a bit easier. So this is how you can quickly delete multiple Instagram photos on your Instagram story. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.